Alright guys, I hope you're doing well, and yeah, welcome back to another video. I think I will switch it to this one, yeah, so now you can see full screen. So yeah, I thought, because right now I'm literally in the process of making like the first final step, and then the last one will be to create a database. So first thing is to create like the website as it is, as a blog, and then import, then there are 3 steps. First step, create the website as a blog. Second step, to create the database, then connect this database through or via an API to the tables. That is like one thing that I think right now, that we need to connect the database to the tables itself. Yeah, but we will see if this is like the right way. And then the third step would be to see that everything is working and everything. So one thing I need to show you, for example, pause. Okay, this one, if you can see it. So I just made like a plan, right? So I need to write things down. I don't know, I'm like a person, of course, that's literally one thing I would like recommend to you, to try this out. If you have any problems or you are struggling right now, you have like this pressure inside and you didn't know or anything what's going on right now, just take a sheet of paper, or I don't know, you can also use a calendar. I just used a calendar, so yeah, it doesn't matter, you can use whatever you want. And then just turn it around, hopefully there's no blank side, and then just write down. So what I have done is like a topic, and then made some small to-dos, which is this, and then smaller is this one. So like I already like removed this point because I already finished it, and then there are also some other points. So that's the thing right now, what I want to like finish in this video. So yeah, and also to finish this website actually. So let's continue. So I'm right now in the process of remove this problem right here. As you can see, it's not aligned with this footer. What's the name? I don't know. You can like change this one. If you don't know it, you can change this one inside the customizer, and then I think it's layout, footer, and then exactly, copyright, the copyright section. So that is this like connected to this, and then this text. This one is a widget that I have used. Of course, you can also use it or create it with elements via generate blocks. But I've tried to use footer bar widget, so which is like directly placing it on the right side, and it's like super default, so that's perfect. But I'm like struggling because, as you can see, I don't know why. On some websites I have this problem, on some websites I didn't have this problem. So I didn't give this container a margin on the bottom. I don't know why. But if we take a closer look, you can see there's margin like 1 EM on the... Wait a second. So that means... Because this one is like... Isn't this one connected? Wait a second. That means that if we go back and let's take a closer look to like footer bar, okay. And in here, exactly, so there's no option for the width, but I think this one is connected because... No, it isn't it? But I've selected inside here anything with 1 EM. This one, is it? Fuck, I think it's this one. No way. But it is. Then it's a problem. Or is it or isn't it? Yeah, because I gave it like on this one. So okay, now I found the problem. That's wonderful, but now I need to, because I've set this one with a paragraph. Oh, okay, maybe this one is the issue, because I've set it as a paragraph. Maybe I need to make this one not a heading, or no, sorry, not a paragraph, but use it like as a oh yeah, I think that's the solution. So just select or like change this one as a heading, for example, and then like a complete default heading, not a generate blocks one, because it shouldn't be blue. So let's just see add after. We can like use a headline. Exactly, we want to have this one exactly. So then we will make it like an H6 and then typing the same text inside there, and just make this one. We put it inside there and just copy paste it. Let's see the oh yeah, sorry, we need to look at this one, so we give it like 1 EM, and then we can see, okay, we gave it like 50 size. Let's make sure that we also give it like that. Oh, okay. Okay, I think it's like not a good idea, because is there an option inside here to also add the or editing the normal H6? Because I think these are just for the generate blocks one. Maybe we will see. No, have I selected? I need to check this one, because I've created a 404 page template, as you can see here, which I think I've set no H4, okay, and this one is an H1. Okay, so I haven't. So let's try maybe 10 pixels. I know how big 10 pixels are. Oh no, sorry, we need to make it like 50, because then it's like the same as the paragraph, and give it 500. Let's see what we gave the paragraph. Where is it? Oh, body, is it? Default, okay. 1 margin and 50 pixels. Okay, great. So H6 default, and publish it. Let's just publish this one as well, and then we can see something. Whoop. Hey, it's crazy that I have found like the solution for that. But what is this? Is this like, wait a sec, typography H6? I think it isn't the right one. So if we change like this one, not to like, not a paragraph, it should be like an H6, what will happen? Does it get bigger? Yes, it got bigger. So this one is like how big? I think it's like, okay, it's the same size. So I think this option in here, like the H6, affects as well the default one. So we can literally, like, I think we can remove this one, or no, it's not. Like, is it possible to okay, so we can also customize it like this, but right now we have like set it like to 15. Then maybe we can try like 13. Yeah, update. Maybe it's the same like this. I think it's like too small, just like 14, I think. Publish, refresh. Yeah, okay, now it looks great, but it should be like right aligned, so make it like right aligned. I think then it should be the same as it was. Yeah, so I think we can like remove this one and just like let it be like this, and also yeah, change the margin because we don't need it. Wait a second. What we have now is what? What is this? This container got what? Like no margin. Maybe we need to refresh it again. Still. What's this? Like this div. Line height 21 pixels. Update. Okay, then we need to edit it manually. Gave it like 40 pixels, and yeah, maybe we need to remove this one because it's like crap. Still, because we haven't removed the margin on the bottom. Publish. Or can we also line height? Line height. No, we can't. Okay, yeah, whatever. But now we found this, the problem and the solution as well, which is amazing. So yeah, we fixed this problem. Okay, this one is like the 404 page, as you can see. Also, I like that is also a problem that where I like not getting through it, because like many people are using the grid element, right? And I'm not a friend of it, because all the time I've like the problem that it is like spread out a little bit too much, and it's not like connecting, like, or it doesn't have this function of like center, and that's my problem. Because yeah, I don't know, but it is like also mobile friendly. As you can see, I've like changed it, then it made it like now these two containers, the left one and the right one, have auto margin, I think. And on the mobile view, I've like removed this on both, I think, and gave it like 8 viewport width on both sides. So now it's like contained, or yeah, contained, aligned. and it looks better. As well, as you can see, the search bar, I also changed it to a percentage. So now also this gray bar is also like is going away if you shrinking the display. I don't know why, but yeah, I thought it would be like a idea to try out. Okay, so then let's continue. What's the next step? Yeah, to create like all of those pages. So this one is a other WordPress installation. So let's see what we have in here. So we have the home page. So also go inside here. We have the home page. Then if we just take a closer look to here, oh, we already have everything. Partner. So first thing is we need a partner site. We need a partner site. We need a privacy policy. Okay, publish. Then we need a contact page. I don't know if we already have one. Let's just prove it. We have this one, we have partner. If we have contact, yeah, we have this one. Yeah, it can also be linked to this. AGB, we also not have. Let's see. Publish. Do we have imprint and privacy policy? Not yet, so we need to make both of them. What? Okay, we have ours, login, FAQ, more. Okay, so we need imprint. And privacy policy. Okay, we now have all of those things. This one we have, this one we also have, and this one also. So the next thing is, oh man, that's also a point that I didn't wrote down on the mind map, but because we need to create with advanced custom fields all of those custom fields, of course, and also the post type. No, sorry, not the post type, the taxonomies, because we are missing one especially, because we need to like create a console page and tag like every single, as you can see in here. Oh no, we need more. Okay, also for the publisher and the creator of a specific game, and also console, as you can see here. So then we are listing everything, like every single console inside here. And also that's a nice thing inside the category taxonomy to yeah, categorize them. So to make like one of them a parent, and so yeah, and categorize them. I don't know if I have made it. I think so, but if we go click edit, I think I've, didn't I? Okay, now this one isn't there. No, wait a second. Where did I? Oh yeah, it was inside the categories. So that means there's the issue. No, is there an issue? If we are importing I think it's a problem, because if we are importing games where it's also like those games are categorized and already there is mentioned that this game is only playable on PS4, for example, and I say that, or I create every single console also inside the category section, then there is a confusion with the because if we take a closer look to the query loop, for example, or no, let's just show you something, because I've already like updated. Yeah, okay, there's also like a bit of a problem right there, but yeah, so if I say like, if I gave this, and it's also PS4 and anything is like could be standing here. Yeah, I think that's a problem, because we need to categorize, like we also need the option to structure a specific taxonomy with a parent, as we can do it inside here. Or we are just setting like we're saving categories only for the consoles and create another taxonomy which we can like easily create with ACF, because we need this parent function to categorize it like deeper. So okay, no, first thing is we have finished this one point right there to create every single page, so that's the thing. Great stuff. Then what was the other thing? Oh, I had in my head. Oh, perfect, I forgot. Yeah, with this category problem, or maybe we need to try this out. So then we need to try this out, and then we will see what's the problem, or is there a problem? Because if we import it, wait a second. No, they're like, oh yeah, that's the great thing about it, because like I can say that, because this importing process of all of those games will be just once a time, just one time, and then the continuously or like live import process will be to import the data. When I say data, I just mean the prices, like the payment methods are also like linked to the shop profile, and this in the shop profile is like the name of the shop, the logo of the shop, the rating of the shop, payment methods, yeah. So these 4 things will be imported via the Trustpilot API. So then this would be like completely out of the league, or like out of the way, and then we just need to update the price and the affiliate link. Maybe the affiliate link will also change, which is like not really like the case, or could be the case, but the chance is there. So yeah, there should be just imported continuously the, I have it here. This one is like from the Trustpilot API, as well as this one. And I'm not quite sure about this one. Maybe there is also some things where, yeah. So this one should be like, of course it need to be the same game ID as the whole post. That's the first thing that is like a must. Yeah. So we need to have the ID. That's very important. Yes. So then we can work with it. Okay. Okay, but yeah, we have created all of those pages. I think we are finished. We've set this one and all of those like archive pages. And we've set it. Okay, we need to link it. Let's link it, so then we have it also out of our way. This one was created inside the, yeah, also widget section, so we can go inside the widget section. I think it's the widget 1 exactly. So in here we can now link it finally to the page partner. And that is a problem because we don't want to have it like this on hover. What the hell? Color, why is it like this? Need to go to the customize section. I think it's on the color, and then on the, is it no footer widget link? There's nothing. But maybe for the link we can also make it like this. Maybe. Or this. Okay, nothing is happening. Make it like default. I have no idea. But where is the link thing? Body. Okay, the links are orange and then are turning black after you hover over it. So that means if we change this to default, and this one also to, shit. Okay, let's change it like to completely nothing, publish it, and publish this one as well. Maybe we will see a change. So we want to add a link partner, Okay, now it gets invisible. So there is a text. What is this? 50%. Aha. Okay, interesting. So that's the text. Like 50%. And for the links, it will stay there like the same. Let's just make sure that it's like the same, but it could be different after you hover over it. No, it shouldn't be different if you hover over it. So refresh it again. Also, maybe it has something to do with the H5, because I've used the H5, and yeah, so I think it's like the H5 problem. Header, nope. Content. Okay, no, it isn't there. Navigation text. Top bar. Okay, never mind. We will just change it on the spot, so manually. So if I click on it, I can go down to like link and make sure that is this. No, sorry. Gray. Okay, yeah, let's leave it like gray. If we then publish this, and now it's like underlined. But why? Why is this one underlined? On hover, wait a second, on hover it should be underlined. Maybe there is a confusion with the general. Always, nope, on hover. Okay, I don't know who said this. Maybe I was drunk or anything, but I have no idea if I've... Okay, whatever. Now it should be, is gone. Okay, awesome. So that means if we then remove it, publish, and take a look. Partner, okay. We can see it works. We are on the partner side. Okay, awesome. Or whatever. Actually, we can also... Yeah, let's let it on, so maybe we will change it afterwards. But just... I think it's this one. And also same thing here. Text link is the same as this one, so then we are just removing this one, and also we can also just let it be like contact, for example. Same in here, RGB. Just change the color as well. Privacy policy. And imprint. Okay, think. Oh. Ah. Shit, okay, that was stupid. I was like... Okay, now I think it's a bit laggy, I don't know why. Okay, but I think everything is like right now set to the right side. Okay, maybe we can, like, of course we can like change it as well, like this. Did it change it, or it changed to the orange color? We can of course do this. So then I don't know if it's like looking great. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's like too much. Yeah, let's leave it like blank, and maybe afterwards we can make some of those changes, but yeah, right now not. So yeah, we finished this point, and we can close this one. Exactly. So I have also like 3 steps. The first step is query loops, like create those query loops, as you can see in here, those query loops, which I have already created. Also set it to just one category, which is like just code, and also that this code to shrink the amount of all of those categories to just, sorry, those are tags, I think. Yeah, maybe those are tags. To shrink them to just, no, there aren't tags. Genre, I think it is called. To just one. So you can see just one, and it will not like taking over the whole query loop, because then there are like, sometimes there are like a lot of genres or tags. So just minimize it to just one, and that's like just a CSS code, and also set it to just specific sites, because we want to have like all of those categories or genres like shown, like all of them shown, but just on the post side of a specific game. So for example, if I click on this one, then you can see like the actually magic, or like the whole thing that is like going around this game, or information, anything. And inside here we want to have listed every single category or tag or anything, so then it's like linked perfectly. So I just set it to activate this function or this code to on the body side, sorry, no, not on the body, on the home side, and also on every single archive side, which is, yeah, which are like these one. Yeah, and also like, yeah, make this one, but it's like super simple actually. This slider is also very nice, so I think I need to, because I couldn't find actually another or like a greater one. So I will, yeah, use this one again. And yes, so maybe there is an option to put those queries inside there, but I have no idea. Maybe we can also, yeah, just make like here a custom slide or anything, like show like 5 or 6, and just like make it like a circle or like a carousel for this. No, okay, we will see, but I think it's like, those are like some very professional stuff, which when the site is finished. All right, so yes, what we should do now, I think, is to create, yeah, just create like all of those category. Oh no, wait a second, is there an option to inside the ACF, because this one is the pro version, so maybe there is a option to like for the taxonomies. Key, what is this? Okay, maybe there is an option so we can like console. Okay, post type. Okay, so now we want to have it inside here, and advanced configuration, sort term, whenever in the taxonomy should be sorted, and other they are proven to get. Maybe we can like activate every single option, and maybe create a term of taxonomy that cannot be deleted. Okay, I think this one is not really helpful, but visibility, show admin column, display a column for taxonomy on post type listings screens. Maybe URL parent child term in URL for hierarchical taxonomy. Okay, that sounds great, but maybe it is also the right one. What is this? Premises? No, permissions. What? Parent? Is there anything with parent or child? Oh, I have child. No, also. Okay, REST API also not. Yeah, maybe we can. Wait a second, hierarchical can be. Wait a second, is this the function? So now if we go inside here, we have this one. Oh my god, now we have it. So I think the option is actually the hierarchy. What's the hierarchy? I have no idea. But if we then set like PlayStation. Wait a second. I need to try this out before I like make something wrong right now. But I want to like set the sorry. Need to go taxonomy, and then for this one click on edit and turn this one on, save settings, and then go back to posts on consoles, and then we have the function. Just to make sure, we go back, click edit, turn it off, save settings, go to posts, oh sorry, consoles of course, and it's not there. But if we are going to taxonomies again, consoles, turn this one on, save settings, posts, console, we have the option. Oh my god. Okay, that's crazy that I was like not getting through it, but now I have the solution. That's awesome. Alright guys, I hope you also got some great stuff out of this video. Maybe I'm the only one, because I'm like so stupid to not being able to like read the settings. It's crazy. Yeah, so I can like type in PlayStation station, and Slack would be like created. Oh sorry, edit, and then go on edit. And just set this one to PlayStation and save it. Go back. Why it's not going back? Perfect. We have exactly this. that's the like the top one, and then it's like going down. Awesome. Oh man, that's wonderful. Taxonomies, and just remove this one, and yeah, we can now do it again, because overall we want to have the direct link. So no, not direct link, but how can I call it, like for the URL, the direct slug, I would say, or the like base. No, base is there, but the, yeah, I have no idea what the real name is. But as you can see here, there's a slash, and then is immediately put inside the slug for the specific game, right? So that is something what we want to have, and not like a slash of games or a slash of whatever and then slash 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 slash. No, we want to have it like directly, like super easy, not complicated, and that's the way. So yeah, for this one as well. And also how you can set or like add some text after it. What you can do is you can go on settings, then go on permalinks, and just add like after the percentage post name percentage and the backslash, just a dash, and then something what you want to have inside there. So some SEO optimized keywords. Yeah, great stuff. So that's the thing. So we go on ACF, taxonomies, and then add the taxonomy, which is like called console. Okay, this one is set like this, and this one is our good friend hierarchical whatever that we want to have like this. Okay, we let it like default everything. Parent terms in URL for hierarchy. I don't know what this is really like making. So, oh yeah, maybe it's like it has something to do with the slug, because it is like on the tab of URL. Yeah, so on the URL, maybe if you click like on PS3 for example, then they're on the slug of PS3 in front of, they're standing PS or PlayStation. So then it like, yeah, maybe it's something like this, but do we really need it? I don't know. Let's just continue. So now we have this great thing here. So yeah, we just have categories. I think that's like perfect, and also like tags. Like there are so many things like genre, tags, categories, I don't know. So just don't get confused, just use like, or choose some of them. I will just choose like categories and tags. That should be like, that should be it. So categories are like those big terms, and tags are like some small things about this game. So, or like gun for example, or like cars, or anything, like some small things that is helping also to find a specific game. If you have just some, you don't know the name, but you have like some you have seen something, and that is like what you want to search now to find this specific game, something that you have seen. So now you want to, yeah, explain the search bar, for example, what you have seen, or like what is inside the game, for example. Yes. So if we go then on consoles, we can now create for play PC. It would be like the first thing, as you can see here, PC, or like, yeah, PC games. I have no idea. Yeah, we can call it like this, or if we just like take a closer look to key for Steam, for example, can go on games. Okay, it just like says PC. Yeah, so we will just make sure that this one is just there standing, because it's like taking up a little bit more space, so nobody's getting confused. I know if they're just like standing PC, maybe it's like too short. So yeah, call it like this. It's not by default, however, some themes may show it. Okay, I want to. Alright guys, what we're going to do right now is we want to give every single taxonomy a SEO optimized description. So because we want to like put every single keyword inside like every single section, so yeah, we want to do that. So after this one is finished, I will put everything inside there, and then we will see the next thing. Right, so now I've added all of them inside there, but I'm like still struggling because those are like added, like, no, sorry, those are like pages, and every single page is like already linked with an URL, right? But we have created inside here a other page, which will be an archive page. So that means that we have two pages which will show the same. Okay, now it's getting interesting, because I can also add inside here PC, for example, on the primary menu. Let's do this. It isn't a category, or it isn't a page, sorry, it is a category. That is interesting, and it will show the category page. So yeah, we can also like navigation label Spiele, like game, and remove this one, save this one. Wait a second. But we have like category. Desktop primary. Wait a second. Like this one should be linked now to the category. Parent. There's no parent for the PC. Navigation label. Maybe we need to change it to PC. Which was it like? This one should be changed now. Oh man, I'm on the false one. Oh shit. Where do I... Fuck. Nope, I wasn't inside here. Oh, I get... Oh shit. Man, I should look to it better. So let's remove it, because now we want to just give it to this side right now. We go to posts, consoles. Okay, great. We added all of those categories or tags inside. the right installation. So now what we have like right now found is we do not have to put inside here a page. We can also put inside here a post or a like custom link or a category, like a category, or like this one. Perfect. Just this one, or with a drop down. That is amazing. That is something that I didn't know actually, if I'm going to be honest. So that is great. So yeah, what we can do now is, but the thing is also, because the structure, as you can see right now, we have like /PC games or Spiele. But now if we are linking or adding this one, putting inside there a category, then this link, yeah, will not be there anymore, like so short. There will stand like /console and then /PC. So what is this actually? Option page. What is this? Site settings? Okay, I have no idea, literally. Configuration. Okay, I've never used this one before. But if we go inside here, there need to be a option for the URL. I don't know, like taxonomy key. Okay, custom permalink URL slug. Exactly. So there should be no prevent URL rewriting are disabled. What does that mean? Like, why is there no? We need to try this out. Because what will happen if we are disabling it? There is like, okay, this question mark and then consoles and then /PC. The same with this one. But if we are going to this one, which was like default, then we will see a slash for it. But we also want to have like the custom, yeah, with this slug, right? Like customize the slug using, like used in the URL. Okay, so yeah, so this one should be like this slug. I don't know, like, or is it already default? If we put it like this, yeah, just the I'm not sure what the exact like name is, but taxonomy. So slug. Okay, there shouldn't be anything. There should just stand the specific, wait, maybe we can just learn from our already used permalink. So we've just added a percentage of like post name, so we can see there is a percentage of category, right? So we can, like, I think we can put inside here console, like percent console percent, and yeah, to get the same function. Save. Okay, now we got this one, but it should remove the last one. Permalink front URL outer okay, front URL. Maybe we need to delete the other one. Okay, now we have like both of them. That's not great. We want to have just URL for the item, and items can be accessed with a query string. Query string support. Query string support. Terms can be accessed using the non-pretty permalink. Maybe we can also turn this one off. What does that mean? Oh, okay, we cannot see it anymore, which is not great. URL query okay, now we are able to view it again, but to remove the last one, maybe we need to make also a backslash, maybe like a slash, and on the first position also a slash. Maybe it will completely remove it. Maybe, we will see. View? Not. Okay. It will immediately give us the 404 page. Interesting. So what is this? I need to try it just like out, because okay, that isn't the right one. So it should, there should stand like console, the singular word. Front was already right. Parent term. Maybe we can turn these two on. Let's see it again. Okay. This one there is no parent, but for this one, okay. As I've said, the parent slug is standing in front of, but this isn't something that we want, so we are turn this one off. So then we are, yeah, still on this one. So yeah, that's interesting. How can we do this? But we are, or we have selected. Okay, that's interesting. So I need to find this problem or solution for. I need to find a solution for this. Okay, and also, oh man, that's very interesting. Like, to add inside here, not pages, but posts. No, sorry, not pages, but categories, which is amazing. But if I like change it, so then as you can see in here, I think I've already done it. Yeah, like this logo will remove, because if we go inside the DevTools, we can now see that this one isn't, or it gets like an other tag or ID, because it's in category. It has like something to do with the category, so now it is getting a different yeah, ID. So if we go inside here, And as you can see, this one is like the PC, right? Yeah, this one is for the PC. But it isn't a list anymore. Or, wait a second. What was that? Yeah, as you can see, this one is changed. But now we have like the problem with this one, which should be fixed with the other, this one. Oh, sorry, yeah, I need to also add it inside here. Then it should be, yeah, exactly. Oh, okay. So this one is what? This one is like 250. So this one was like this exactly. Looks great. 240. Okay, oh man, oh shoot, okay, I've lost it because I need to, yeah, change this one, because it isn't like afterwards, it is like before. So this one, and then I need to change it like inside here. Yeah, exactly. So now we can publish it again. Now we have the category thing inside here. Awesome. So we can click on it, and then this will show us the archive page for the category. Awesome. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So yeah, I think we should also change every single page to a category. So I will write it down on my big paper, and then yeah, we will continue this whole thing to like finish this as soon as possible as a blog site, because I've already like created everything, and I think I'm really good right now for understanding this whole process. So I want to show it, or like share it with you, so then you can also replicate everything and yeah, make also some money from it. Awesome. But now I need to find this problem solution. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, stay healthy, and see you soon. Bye bye.